Singapore 2023, a circuit where overtaking is tough, the heat is brutal, and strategy usually decides everything. That weekend, Ferrari weren't the favorites. Red Bull had dominated all year, but for once they struggled. Suddenly, Carlos Sainz was on pole with the chance to deliver something special for Ferrari. But on pole in Singapore doesn't guarantee a win. And then came the moment that tested Carlos Sainz more than ever.
And now, and two in a row, tell me we have it. Yeah.
Late in the race, safety car changed everything. Mercedes rolled the dice, double stacking Hamilton and Russell for fresh medium tires. Suddenly, they were the fastest cars on the track. And you could see the difference instantly. Russell and Hamilton overtook Charles Leclerc with ease. That was the warning sign. Mercedes had the pace to win this.
Into the field now, third and fourth for Mercedes.
So now the picture was this: Carlos Sainz leading, Norris right behind him in the McLaren, and the two Mercedes charging like rockets on fresher tires. If Mercedes got past Norris, Carlos was finished with his older tires. He didn't have the speed to defend on his own. And this is where Carlos showed his brilliance. Instead of just pushing away, he did something unusual. He backed up. He deliberately slowed down enough to keep Lando Norris inside the DRS range.
0.8 behind, 0.8 with DRS. Russell, no DRS. It's on purpose. Copy that.
And the reason for this? Because with DRS, Norris had just enough straight line speed to hold the Mercedes behind. Carlos was basically using Norris as his shield. For lap after lap, Russell kept attacking Norris. Hamilton was right there too, waiting for a mistake. But Norris, with that little DRS boost from Carlos, kept defending. And up front, Carlos Sainz controlled the pace perfectly. Not too fast, not too slow, just enough to make sure Norris always had the DRS while Carlos stayed safe. Russell had been charging all race, pushing his Mercedes to the absolute limit. And on the very last lap, under the weight of pressure and a bit of frustration too, Russell misjudged a corner and hit a wall. That tiny error ended his race instantly.
Russell's off! George Russell into the wall and out of the race!
The victory belonged to Carlos Sainz, and this was his very first Formula One win in Ferrari, and he earned it not just with speed but with pure race intelligence. This was Ferrari's only win of 2023 season. Carlos Sainz didn't just win in Singapore, he outsmarted everyone on the track.
Carlos Sainz, tactical brilliance! Carlos Sainz, the winner of the Singapore Grand Prix!